Hey, gang, you've got to see this. I've got to tell you what this is. You see that little round silver ball right there? That's a piece of solder. Something's been bothering me for a long time, and that little ball of solder could cause an explosion. And I'm going to show you what I'm talking about here. That little ball of solder came out of a battery. Okay? Now that's what they call a Lipo battery. Lithium polymer. They can be very dangerous. I was told by some people on this forum that I deal with that if there is a piece of solder in that battery case, and what was happening, I could hear something rattling inside that case. And here's the other part of the case right here. Okay, because I took that battery, the case, apart. So that piece of solder was down inside that case, and it was going from one side to the other, rolling back and forth. I was wondering, what is that noise? Well, now I know. And that little piece of solder could have hit on these contacts. Let me show you these contacts here. Hold on a second here. Alright, you see those little contacts right there, those wire connections? That piece of solder, like I say, was rolling inside that case back and forth. So I was told if it was a piece of solder, and if it were to make contact with one of those contacts, with one of those wires you see there, and hit on those little electrode things, this battery could explode. And you don't want to have a lithium polymer battery explode, because they're very dangerous. Very dangerous. See that says lithium polymer right there? Yeah. I tried to contact the manufacturer, the people that sold it to me, and they're in China. They don't want to deal with you. They said, oh no, that's normal, they said. That's normal. Ha! That thing is not normal, buddy. I tell you, that little that little piece of solder is not normal. See that little bead down there? Let me point that out to you. I know you can see it, but I want to get a pen or something and point it out to you. Hold on here. That little piece of solder right there. It's a piece of solder right there. So I'm glad I know what it is now, and I'm going to take it out. I'm making this video here. So I'm going to put this on YouTube just to show anybody else in case they have a problem with this battery here, which is called GiFi. It's a little higher milliamp hour. See, it says 8050 milliamp hour. So it's supposed to give you a little extra flight time on your drone. Yeah, so now that I've got that piece of solder out of there, I'm going to see if I can put this case back together. And I might have to use a little super glue or something, but I'm going to take my time with it, make sure everything's back together good. And I'll keep you posted on this. But hopefully now, once I get it all back together and secure, and I don't know if super glue will hold, but I'm going to check, and double check, Chicky. That's right. And so there you have it. The piece of solder you don't need rolling around in there, because that can cause an electrical fire explosion.